Hi friends, good afternoon. In last video, I discussed some content about ICMAI from the website, that is a CMA website, the Institute of Cost Accountant of India website. Now I'm going to discuss about the important points. Now important points which is related to students, we are going to click on student icon. In that, we'll go to the syllabus 2016 where are a lot of important things are there. So by the way, you are watching CMA Lift channel, which is for CMA student. For more update, click on subscribe the channel, that is a CMA Lift, and click on bell icon. So it will be help all of you students. Now I'm going to discuss about the content, that is a syllabus 2016. In that content, last time I'm just told some brief about the amendment of custom valuation, amendment AS, and revised content 7 11 paper. Okay, now I'm just going to discuss about content. Content means what it will include. It will just includes all the detail of book related to CMA, ICMA, that is a course of foundation course, intermediate and final. What they given in this, just I will make it. Okay, in this just they given syllabus 2016 papers and content. It is what is meant by that, that is mean just in content they are given the detail of all the courses, relate detail of all the courses, study materials they are given in detail. You can see here foundation course, four papers, paper 1 2 3 4, fundamental of economics and management, fundamental of accounting, fundamentals of law and ethics, fundamentals of business and mathematics and statistics. Intermediate course there are four subjects, paper 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12, and final course there are again 8 subjects, 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. So content, in the content they given all the book detail and important points, like important points means what is the content in the syllabus. If whoever want to join this course and whoever want to understand what is in CMA and what subjects are includes and what are the things will include, what concept it will clear, what it is based on, if they want to understand what is the CMA syllabus, ICMI course, what is the brief about it, please go through the content. You will get to know the ideas, what CMA defines, what syllabus we have, and what chapters it is dealing with. Is it the right path of syllabus? It is, we are dealing correctly to the market, whatever the concepts are needed, we are correctly going through the costing, we are correctly studying with the accounting, what and all you wanted the things, all the content it will include in this content page. You just go and see the course, whatever the course it is defining. So just freshers or who want to join from the intermediate, just go and visit the content page. So you'll get to know how many subjects we have, what are the subjects including foundation course, what are the subject including intermediate course, and what are the subjects including final course, how many subject we have to study, how many course it will come. So all the detail about related syllabus they are given in the content. In this only, again next they are given the weightage wise. In that they are described one content, that is the section A, section B in the fundamental and economics management. They described each and every chapters in detail. Like before book how they will give the detail, in content just starting details like chapters, sub chapters, and weightage, all the details you can get to know. So who are want to join fresher or intern, fresher who want to join from the foundation or intermediate level, they can see. Final level I'm not telling, because obviously you cannot directly join final level, because obviously you have to clear intermediate, then only you can go through the final, otherwise you can't go through the final. Okay, So just see this, I'm just showing their fundamental accounting, what are the content, what are the sections include, how many weightage is there. They given each and every detail, you can see here in the screen. So you'll get to know what detail it will include. It will help for taxation or not, it will help for accounts, you can get to know. So just go through this. So you will get what are the standards are includes, what are the syllabus course, and what are the contents include in foundation level, intermediate level, and final level. So you can make the decision based on this. You can join this course or not, you are able to crack this course or not, or it is difficult to crack the course, or how is the comparison with the other course and this course. So you just see the content and decide how it is. See, if you see the content as per my level, it is high level of contents, which is very high level of professionals. Okay, and obviously same is the very high level profession. Mm, just want to tell you who want to join this course, just take the brief about study. Instead of asking the friends and all, you just go through the website, so you will get to know what are the syllabus includes, and you can get to know your capabilities. So just I am telling, just go through this content page, you will get all the details about syllabus, and it is helpful for you to take decision. So thanks for watching this video. If you go, it is continuous, it will be all the details it include. So I cannot sit and read each and every points, each and every subject you will get the details. So this is not necessary to sit and read. So just I am telling, go through this, it will be helpful for the understanding syllabus. You are watching CMA. Thanks for watching this video. If any query, just write down below the description box and click on bell icon, so you'll get the more update. In next video I am going to discuss about law subject, because a lot of days I didn't touch the law subject. Now I am going to discuss, that is to law ethics, sorry, that is to I am going to discuss about law and ethics, because they removed governance. So 2016 syllabus only law and ethics. So I'm going to discuss this. Thanks for watching the video. Thanks a lot. Bye.